Before we create our first app in Streamsheets, we have a look at the existing MQTT connection that we have in our demo models. We have a look at the password, we need that later, and also make sure that we have Sedalo as a base topic here. And now we're creating a new consumer. That is actually the one that connects to the iPhone, and we need a topic, and we are using iPhone/pub as a topic. And that's pretty much it. So we have a stream, and now we can create a new app. So we call this new app iPhone Dashboard, and we select the iPhone consumer as our data source. Now we have to install an app on the iPhone. So it's Sedalo MQTT Connect, which you find in the App Store. So I already installed it here, and I'm now going to the settings sheet. I have to enter the URL or the IP address of my Raspberry Pi, and username is Streamsheets. The password, we just copy the one that we looked up in the Streamsheets setting earlier, and as a topic for publishing data, we use Sedalo iPhone/pub. It's basically all you have to do. Then you hit the connect button and start sending data. And if we have a look in our payload now, we see that we get the different data sets. It's all in real time as I'm moving the iPhone, even the GPS data. So the connection to the iPhone seems to work.